Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 5. I thought I would start out this week with a little overview of the module and what we're going to be doing. If you go down to module 5, you will notice we are talking about research, specifically quantitative research, but also some things like reliability and validity and how to use some of the statistics, how to read the statistics that are in your paper, and how to identify some of the components in the discussion section of your paper. I have included several modules. There will be a couple more that I will add to you this week. The readings are chapters 15 to 17. And if you haven't already read chapters 18, and I think some of you will have read them last week, then that will also be something to take a look at. And then I included a link to another article on reliability and validity, which is much more precise than the chapter in the textbook, and I think you will find it very usable and easy to read. For this week, I want you to find 2 literature reviews on your topic or related topics. Sometimes it's hard to find 2 literature reviews on a topic, and the best you can do is find something that is related. Explain the purpose of the literature reviews, and I want you to then compare their similarities and their differences. Take your analysis and just cut and paste it into the discussion board. Ideally, your discussion group will then end up with quite a few different literature reviews, although it's probably unlikely everybody will be able to have 2 unique literature reviews. I think that this will be a good foundation for some of the work that you are doing. I want to go back, though, now and help you with part of what you're doing with writing your paper and go back to Module 2. And if you go to Module 2, you will find a tab that links you to this article right here by Mary Chafee, and it is an integrative review. If you download this article and take a look at it, I think that one of the things that you will find is that it will be a good guide for you when you're writing your papers. This is one of the better integrative reviews of the literature I have seen done by a nurse. And I think that, first of all, it will be related to some of your topics. And second, it shows you a good format. It shows you exactly how she did her methods and how she decided what the inclusion criteria was, the search strategy she used. And one of the reasons I asked you to keep a research journal that explained your search strategy was I knew when it came time to write your paper, you were going to wish you still had kept that. And this shows you exactly how Dr. Chafee did her search strategy. It then talks about how she screened her articles. She talks about the quality, the justification. And then again, if you come down to the table, she did a really great job with her tables. And remember all the qualitative and the quantitative articles that I suggested that you put in a table? This is some good examples of what really nicely formatted tables should look like. And again, you all have access to this. And I think that if you go into your learning management systems, you go back to Module 2 and you pull that up, you will find that it is very useful and very helpful to you, to the work you're doing. As always, if you have any questions, please join me for office hours. I enjoy the company, and it is a good opportunity to have a discussion section, which is often one of the things missing in an online course. Thank you.